Hi, I'm Roy from Drone School UK. Welcome to a beautiful sunny day in North Devon. Let's have a look at the return to home on this, see how accurate it is, because it's called Smart Return to Home. And what it does is I fly the drone out, it'll record all of the route on the way out, and it then, when it uses the Smart Return, it comes back on the exact route that it went out, because it knows that if it's gone out there and hasn't crashed into anything, that it can come back the same way with no difficulties. So let's start the motors off, we're ready to go, push the drone up in the air, do our little few tests. Home point's been updated, as you can hear, forward and back. We're ready to rock and roll. Okay, let's go. So let's fly the drone out a little bit of a distance, then we'll go up a little bit, we'll turn to the left, take it out over here somewhere, and I'll stop somewhere there. I'm now going to press the return to home button hard for 3 seconds. It should
return to home.
And you'll see it's picking me out now. There's a green directional line, it's now coming back. You can see the H, the orangey yellow H there coming back. It's coming back in low towards me. Let's see what happens now. There is a black mat where it's taken off. It should turn around, which it's doing now, and now it's landing back onto the mat. Well, I don't think it gets much better than that. Fabulous. So return to home, that's Smart Return to Home. You can use the return to home with a designated height that it comes back, but with the Mini 5 Pro it's best to use the Smart Return to Home because it tracks the path out that it went before. Let's do that once more and let's have another go at the return to home, and I'll make the path out a little bit more complicated. So let's fly straight over here to the right, and then we'll come back over to the left, come way over there, let's see, and then I'm going to dogleg her the other way, going to come back over here, and let's push it out a little bit more, and we'll just hit it again and see what happens with the Smart Return to Home. 3 seconds, hold it down. Now it should come back the most direct route, and that's what it's doing. Because this time it's actually going up a lot higher and has decided it's going to go a different way. It's not following the exact route that it went before, but it's made its own mind up.
Landing.
Again, dead accurate. So that's Smart Return to Home. Let's have a look at dynamic home point now. So I'm going to hit the dynamic point there, and I'm going to press OK, and you'll see on the left we've updated to a dynamic home point now, and you see the dynamic home point is where the controller is where I am. And when I walk away now, you'll see in a short while, as I get a reasonable distance away from the original point, that it'll update. There you go, there's the update point, and as I move, keep moving, the dynamic home point moves with me as I walk away from the original point. So as I keep walking now, you'll start to see it going further and further away. I've stopped walking, I'm going to walk back a short way, and then I'm going to hit the return to home button on the controller. And the drone has started to come back. You'll see the green path is indicated. It's coming back at 15 meters, which is 10 meters above the original height, and as it comes back it comes over the top of me, and then you'll see it stop, and it stops at 15 meters above me. It doesn't start to lower itself down, it just stops. I'm actually bringing the drone down myself now to try and bring it closer to me, and you can see I've now turned it round, but the home point just stops above you. Hope that's helpful. Happy flying. Bye for now. If you enjoyed this video, then subscribe to the channel or watch the next video in the playlist or the new videos that we've just recently downloaded.